everyone, and welcome back to Addie's Just Desserts. On today's episode, we will be talking about chocolate chip cookies. But before we jump in, what do chocolate chip cookies make you think of? Maybe they make you think of Christmas, when you were just really little and you were baking cookies for Santa. I know I think of baking cookies with my dad. Cookies are incredibly nostalgic for many people, and that's why they're so popular today. On today's show, we will be talking about the history behind the chocolate chip cookie, how to make a chocolate chip cookie, and the benefits of making a chocolate chip cookie. Well, I've got the oven set to 375, so let's start. The history behind the chocolate chip cookie. It all starts in Wisconsin with Ruth Wakefield. She started the Toll House business. Her biggest hit was her book, Tried and True. This had the original chocolate chip cookie in it. This was an immediate hit. It was even featured on Betty Crocker's show, her radio show, which was a very big deal back in the day. The brand Nestle got a hold of this. They called her and were like, hey, I would like to buy your name and your recipes, which she took up, which is now why we have Nestle Toll House. Many people believe that the chocolate chip cookie was made from just throwing things in a bowl. It was a complete accident. But in reality, Ruth Wakefield studied the art of the cookie for many years, and that's how it came to be. So all the rumors of just throwing things in a bowl are completely fake. Next, we have how to make a chocolate chip cookie. According to Nestle's recipe, what you want to do is you have, in one bowl, you want to take 2 1/4 cups of flour, and then you want to take one teaspoon of salt and baking soda, and then you want to stir that up in a bowl. You're then going to set that to the side, and you're going to take this bowl, and you're going to add the brown sugar, and you are going to add the regular granulated sugar, and both of these are 3/4 cups. And then you're going to add your eggs. You want 2 large eggs. You're then going to want 2 sticks of butter. You want them room temperature, and then you're going to mix that up. Once it's all well mixed, you're going to want to slowly add in the flour mixture. You're just going to want to slowly do that while mixing it in just like this. And soon enough, without the chocolate chips in it, you're going to have something about like this. Because this is a bit cold, I can hold it like this, but it should be almost like a Play-Doh consistency. Once it's like this, you're going to want to add in 2 cups of chocolate chips slowly. You'll then get your chocolate chip cookies. You're then going to want to take the cookie dough, and some people have a special tool for this, but you can also just take it and roll it into a ball, and then you're going to want to set it on a 13 by 9 pan. I usually set them in about by 3 by 4s, but you can do however your pan size is. You're then going to want to put them in the oven for about 9 to 11 minutes. So while those cookies are baking, we can talk about the benefits of making a chocolate chip cookie. There are many benefits to making chocolate chip cookies. According to the Cravery, one of the biggest benefits to making chocolate chip cookies is even just smelling the chocolate chip cookies. Your anxiety will go down, and then your brain will release the chemical called dopamine, which is like the happy chemical. It's what makes you happy. Cookies also have flavonoids in them. Flavonoids help lower your cholesterol, and they also just overall help the function of your body. Cookies also have a lot of antioxidants due to the chocolate chips and the cocoa powder that is found in them. Another great thing is the relationships that you make from making cookies. A lot of people make cookies with their friends. You create great relationships from making cookies with your friends, or even just sharing a cookie. It's a great time and it's a great gift as well. Another great thing is baking cookies with children. Children can learn a lot from baking cookies. This also, at the end product, it gives them a reward for their great work and dedication to making the cookies. Well, it looks like the cookies are finished, so I'm gonna have to go grab those out of the oven. But I hope you guys all enjoyed our episode today of Addie's Just Desserts, surrounded by chocolate chip cookies. So before I leave to go grab the cookies, let's recap. We went over the history of the chocolate chip cookie, how to make a chocolate chip cookie, and the benefits of making chocolate chip cookies. I hope you tune in next week for how to make macaroons. Thank you guys so much.